You are going to love the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.